क्या आप भी किसी अपने सपने मेरे तुम्हारे टीम 11 पे टीम बना रहे हो और बच्चों के साथ खेल रहे हो? हमारे साथ खेलोगे? हाउस पे खेलो लेजेंड्स के साथ, हमें हराओ और जीतो डबल कैश। Log on to houseit.com and win real cash.
We are back with SportsFit and this is strength and conditioning coach Chinmoy Roy. What's like quarantine, bio bubble are flying around and we can see the consequences. There are spate of injury across all sports. Neymar Jr. of Brazil had groin injury. Same with David Warner of Australia. And now Jasprit Bumrah has abdominal muscle injury. The fact is, to my mind, these kinds of injuries are happening because there is a lack of conditioning in the ground. We can have lot of gyms, but ground is something that we are missing because of the lockdown and these restrictions of bio bubble and quarantine.
So then what about the gym, sir? We can do conditioning in the gym also. I see Virat Kohli and Cristiano Ronaldo running on the treadmill.
Fine, Arjab, you're right. Absolutely right. They are running on the treadmill, but there are some restrictions. I mean limitations. A, running on the treadmill is non-functional. That's not the way you run on the ground. Number one. Number two is the impact force. You can see when we run here, this is soft. The treadmill is very hard and the platform is hard. Number three is there is a lot of fluid loss under the sun. You sweat. But when you run indoors, you don't lose fluid. And last but not the least, you see the length. You don't get the length when you run in the treadmill, right? And you can't really move there to there. The most important, you can't veer away. It's a linear one. Treadmill is a linear one in one line, the most important. So, if we have our job, any window, 7 days conditioning, that is fine. Or you have to find out a time to do these kind of conditioning drills. So, can I tell you what is the drill?
Yes, sir. What's the drill?
Okay, the drill is our job. This is my starting block. These are the poles. From here, this is 10 meters, the red cone. Right, I keep it down here. From this red cone to that red cone, it is 20 meters. And the last, from that red cone to the pole is 10. So the total length is 40 meters. Now for the viewers, me and Arjun will run, and of course I'll beat you, man. Okay, it's a jog from here to here. A sprint, jog. Ready? Steady, go. Jog, sprint, stop. Jog, and sprint. Sprint. Good, stop. Jog, and sprint. Sprint. Okay. A jump. Easy.
Yes, sir. Sir, how many reps and what is the ratio?
Okay. Going is 1, coming is 2, 20 times. Very simple, 20 times, rest 3 minutes and you do 3 sets.
Sir, what are the benefits?
Number 1, we know yo-yo, we all know, it's more like that. It is interval run, increases VO2 max, capacity to use more oxygen. Then, this is like the sprint inside, enhancing your anaerobic endurance. For me, the best thing is have these kinds of drills and you can manipulate it by. Arjun, can you come here? Just a manipulation like cricket. I tell 4, you will take 4 runs within the 2 cones. Go, 4. Sprint, 1. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, good job. Brilliant, 3, 4. Okay, Arjun, 1 second. Now I give him a rest of 10 seconds and I'll tell him to either run 3, 2, 1. So you play around. 4 means 4 runs, rest 10 seconds. 3 means 3 runs, rest 10 seconds. So that is manipulating this interval run. That is cool. One option. You can use it. And remember, if these kinds of drills are used, it will limit all these muscle injuries because the muscles will be ready to take the load.
So sir, can we do these drills for any sport?
Of course, Ajab, this can be for any sports. And rest assured, if we follow these kind of conditioning drill, the interval runs, the injuries, the spate of injuries that is having havoc across all sports will be minimized, if not completely nullified. Keep following us. We'll be bringing you more such absolutely absorbing stuff in the coming episodes of Sports Pick.